Why is my Ring device unable to join my home network?
Hello. Today we're going to discuss an issue that some Ring device users face, which is the device being unable to join a home network. We'll cover some common reasons this might happen and how to troubleshoot this problem.
Is your Ring device in setup mode?
The first thing to check when your Ring device can't connect to your home network is whether it's in setup mode. Setup mode is indicated by a flashing blue light on the front of the device. If you don't see the light, you'll need to put the device into setup mode. Refer to your device's manual for instructions on how to do this.
Is your Wi-Fi network working properly?
Next, let's ensure your Wi-Fi network is working properly. You can do this by checking if other devices, like a smartphone or a laptop, can connect and use the internet successfully. If other devices also have issues, restarting your router can often fix minor network issues.
Is your Ring device within range of your router?
A common cause of connection problems is the distance between the Ring device and your router. Most home Wi-Fi networks use either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequencies. While the 5 GHz frequency can provide faster data rates, it doesn't travel as far or penetrate walls as well as the 2.4 GHz frequency. If your Ring device is too far from your router or blocked by walls or other objects, it may struggle to connect. Try moving your Ring device closer to your router, or consider using a Wi-Fi extender to increase your Wi-Fi range.
Is your Wi-Fi password correct?
If your Ring device still won't connect, make sure you're using the correct Wi-Fi password. A small typo can prevent connection, so it's always worth double-checking the password.
Is your device firmware up to date?
Finally, check to see if there's an update available for your Ring device's firmware. Out-of-date firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues. While Ring devices are designed to update automatically, manual updates are sometimes required. In conclusion, if your Ring device can't join your home network, it could be due to several issues including being out of setup mode, issues with your Wi-Fi network, being out of your router's range, an incorrect Wi-Fi password, or outdated device firmware. By methodically checking each of these potential problems, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Ring device connected. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Ring customer support. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.